Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Now, Cricket West Indies President Dr. Kishore Shala says all is well among the member associations after what he described to be a productive meeting on governance reform on Sunday. The next Cricket West Indies president will serve until 2028 after a landmark decision to extend the tenure of the office and that of the vice president to 3 years up from 2. This comes as the full member shareholders of Cricket West Indies officially approved a set of governance reforms at a special meeting on Sunday in Port of Spain, Trinidad. According to a CWI release, the decision represents a significant step in modernizing the organization's governance structure, enhancing accountability, and ensuring the long-term sustainability of Cricket West Indies. President of CWI, Dr. Kishore Shala, says the meeting also showed a unification of cricket in territories after the last one did not go ahead due to the absence of representatives from the Barbados and Guyana cricket boards.
I'm happy that both BCA and GCB reps were present and they participated in the exercise. We had great discussions around governance and other cricket-related matters. And just to be able to ventilate matters as a board, as shareholders, I think that is really, really, really great. And so we are quite pleased as an entire board. We were quite pleased with this development and for their attendance. And obviously, we all ended the meeting in high spirit and confidence that Cricket West Indies is moving in the right direction.
The members also approved the recommendation of term limits for presidents and vice presidents, which will only see persons serving in those capacities for three-year terms. This CWI sees as a critical change to ensure fresh leadership opportunities and promotes continuity while preventing stagnation. The proposal for a rotation of presidents, as expected, was not adopted. Overall, there were 19 reforms adopted at the meeting under the headings Board Leadership and Structure, Ethical and Compliance Measures, Financial Oversight and Risk Management, and Gender Equality and Women's Cricket Development. Under Ethical and Compliance Measures, CWI will now release annual reports and annual audit financial statements to the public. There is also a move to appoint more female independent directors to the board to enhance gender representation in decision-making and ensuring a broader range of expertise and perspectives. Under Gender Equality and Women's Cricket Development, travel and accommodation for the women's senior team will now be in line with that of the men. This includes business class travel for long international flights and single-room accommodations. Overall, Dr. Shala was pleased with the outcome of the meeting. The governance reform process has been a strategic priority for CWI, undergoing extensive discussions and consultations over the past few years, including insights from the Webber Report, which was first published in 2020.